In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently format your code in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool for organizing information, and being able to maintain readable code within it is critical if you work with programming regularly. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, begin by heading over to Notion. Once there, you'll want to select the page where you want to work. If you're creating a new page or working within an existing one, this is your foundation where you'll organize your work, ideas, or projects. Think of it as your digital workspace. Selecting the right page ensures you're organized from the get-go. Next, you'll want to introduce a code block. To do this, you'll simply type the / followed by the word code. This is Notion's command to initiate a code block. You'll notice a menu pops up in Notion offering different formatting options. The / is a powerful shortcut in Notion, giving you quick access to various block types. With the menu open, you'll now click on the option labeled Code. Selecting this option will transform a section of your page into a code editor environment. This is an essential step because it distinguishes your code from regular text, maintaining the structure and readability you need. Once you've got the code block ready, it's time to paste your code inside the box that's provided. This is the space where your code will live. Copying and pasting your code into this box creates a clear, organized view of your code snippet, making it easier to read and navigate, especially if you have multiple lines or intricate logic. After your code is neatly tucked inside the box, you'll want to refine how it's displayed. You'll do this by clicking on the 3 dots which appear inside the box. This feature gives you extra settings related to the block you're working with. Notion's 3-dot option is like a gateway to customization, providing you with additional control over how your content appears. Now that you've accessed the additional settings, look for the Turn Into option and click on it. What this step does is provide you with alternatives on how you can transform the current block into another format. This can be particularly handy if you decide that a different type of display might suit your needs better. Finally, you will click on the Text option. This conversion is useful if you decide that your code doesn't require special formatting any longer, or if you wish to revert to a standard text block for easier editing. On occasions where you want to switch from code back to text, this is the way to go. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to formatting code within Notion. By following these steps, you ensure that your workspace remains organized and efficient, maximizing the amazing capabilities that Notion offers. Make sure to explore these tools further as you become more familiar with them. Happy coding?